Hey, welcome back to Scrappin' It Up. I am Vanessa Peter, and today I'm coming on here with another album share. I created this one with the Bo Bunny's Primrose collection, and it is from a 6x6 paper pad. The name of this album is Almost Perfect, and the name fits it perfectly, ladies. I designed it to fit so you could decorate this album with your 6x6 paper pads that we all have laying around. Well, it almost fits your 6x6 paper pads. I had to use some cardstock to help accommodate, and I'll show you when we start getting into it. This album measures 5 1/4 by 7 1/4, and I believe it has a 2 1/4 inch spine. Yes, and there's the back. And this album does have 4 pages in it, and it does use the Kathy Orta King hidden hinge in it. And like I said, I did use the Bo Bunny, and I did use 6x6 paper pads. I did use pink cardstock, brown cardstock, and green cardstock to help accommodate, because it does measure 7 1/4, so you were a little bit shy short. And let's get into it and I'll show you. Okay, so it opens up, and this paper is beautiful, and this is an older collection. So this is made for a girl. You could use it for a boy, but it's mainly geared for a girl. So all 4 pages are the same. So you flip it open, and then this flips open. Then you have a belly band here, okay? And then you have a pull out here, okay? So this just slides right back in, and then this belly band here holds that flap down, all right? And here's what I'm talking about, like right here. You're short just a little bit from being, for a 6x6 to fit. So what I've done, I just stuck a little bit of cardstock, just a little strip of cardstock here to make up for the difference. So that's why I'm calling it Almost Perfect photo album, okay? And I just stuck strips here because the album was starting to get just a little bit bulky. And we want to bulk our album up with photos, not paper. I mean, some of the paper, I mean, it's beautiful. So this page just repeats the last page. And I just stuck a coordinating strip here. And I only used 24 sheets of 6x6 paper pad to cover this album, and I think I used like 12 sheets of cardstock to cover it and to help, make up for the difference. Okay, then it flips, and then you have pull out again, another pull out here. Very quick album to make, very quick. I think I decorated this album in less than 4 hours. So it's very easy, very quick to make, ladies. Okay? And I do have the tutorial for this on my website, scrappinitup.com, with no G, just scrappinitup.com, if you're interested in purchasing this tutorial. So go check it out, ladies. Look at the butterflies, beautiful. I love this paper. And again, another pull out. And you could journal here about what the pictures are. Just totally up to you. You could journal here, put a picture here. Again, I made up the difference. So it's almost perfect. But very quick and easy album to make, ladies. Very easy. And it was a lot of fun to decorate, too. It was a challenge. Okay. And there's the very back. Them butterflies are just beautiful, beautiful. Okay, that is my almost perfect photo album. Like I said, if you guys want to purchase a tutorial, you can go to scrappinitup.com, and I have it on my website for sale. So if you're interested in it, hop over. I have lots of other tutorials over there, so hop on over there and check me out, ladies. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. And hey, we will be talking to you girls later. Keep scrapping. Bye-bye.